Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes packed with indicators and candlestick patterns built in. Just grab it using the link in the description below. Alright, so now let us get into this review. In this video, I am looking at EA Legendary Multi-Strategy. It's an MT5 expert advisor built by developer Vitaly Vasilenka. It's priced at 149 US dollars to buy. It's on version 10.1, last updated in mid-July 2026. Okay. Scrolling into the description, this combines more than 12 independent trading strategies into a single confirmation system. With the developer's stated logic behind that, a trade only opens when multiple strategies agree at once, reducing false signals. So there is also a live signal link on the page. Okay, you can see that this shows, you know, live signal, right? Okay, so that is there along with a note directing buyers to separate free settings file for testing. Pricing is discounted currently according to what we can see here, with the price rising by $50 for every 10 units sold, up to a total of 399 US dollars according to what we can see here. Moving into the signal confirmation system, each trade must pass up to 5 independent checks, right? A higher time frame trend filter using EMA alignment, a volatility filter using ATR to block both quiet and overly erratic conditions, a momentum filter using RSI to avoid overbought or oversold entries, a trend strength filter using ADX, and an anti-flood cool down, enforcing a minimum bar distance between entries. Okay, further down, there is a classic trend engine using moving averages with adaptive risk management, smart stop loss and take profit calculation, trailing stop with break even logic, and optional dynamic lot scaling. There is also an advanced multi strategy system that the listing describes as using a pending order grid with 5-level signal verification, smart pending order placement, and what is directly described as recovery logic with controlled lot advancement. Okay, so here we have the recommended instruments, spanning gold, silver, indices, and crypto across H1, and then M30 and M5 time frames. Okay, depending on the risk level selected. All right, so this is for settings level A, settings level B, and settings level C, which is the high risk. Now let us get into the back testing that I ran myself. All right, heading over to my strategy tester right away. This test started with an initial deposit of $10,000, and by the end of the test period, the account showed a net profit of just under $10,850. Okay, so let us break down how it got here, shall we? This test covered XAUUSD on the H1 time frame from the start of January through mid-July 2026, with history quality at 100%. Now, across 229 total trades, the win rate came in very high, quite impressive, at 93%. Now, here is a detail worth flagging directly, similar to what I've seen with other grid-based systems. The balance drawdown stayed at just over 11.5%, but the equity drawdown reached nearly 31%, reflecting the pending order grid and recovery logic that the listing describes, holding through floating losses before recovering. All right, the profit factor came in strong at 3.29, and the recovery factor was 1.86. Okay, so given the recovery logic and greed components explicitly mentioned in the listing, that equity drawdown figure, is the one that I would weigh most heavily when thinking about real world risk here, okay, rather than the smaller balance drawdown number alone. Now, I'm going to recommend testing this across the different recommended instruments and time frame combinations yourself, given how much flexibility that this system offers, and paying close attention to equity drawdown, specifically given the greed and recovery components involved. Okay, let's briefly look at the equity curve here. So we can see that the balance growth was pretty steady over time overall, but there were times of sharp drawdowns. You can see here, these are just small drawdowns, right? And there was a very major drawdown at this point. So this was likely the drawdown that was reflected here, almost 31%. That is likely the drawdown, because we can see how the price dropped from around 18,500 to around 12,980 thereabout, right? So for those who are concerned about drawdown when trading, this EA seems to have quite a large drawdown, equity drawdown. Okay, so who might this expert advisor be suitable for? Well, based on what we have seen so far from this analysis, this expert advisor produced a strong net result with a high win rate. That's pretty impressive. The win rate was quite impressive, right? Okay, but the underlying equity drawdown was considerably larger than the balance figure alone. Okay, and that is actually an area of concern. Okay, especially for those who are not comfortable with large drawdowns. But as always, no expert advisor is universally suitable. So I will recommend that you test the EA across your intended instruments, and watch the equity drawdown closely before considering any live usage. All right. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications as well, so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.